Hey everyone, so I have literally run out of room in my crafting space. So what I've decided to do is do some destashing. I went through everything and decided on things that I just don't use anymore or that I have duplicates of. So this is just one of several videos that are going to be coming up. Let me move this out of the way here. Nope, there we go. Let's go through the colors. And for this one, I'm going to be, in most of the shipments, I'm going to be using a medium USPS flat box, which costs $14.95 to ship. Now, I would like to sell these all together because shipping costs for just one of these would be more than what the stamp is worth. The stamp ink is worth. So let's try to get this all in one bundle. So for the entire thing with shipping, it's going to be $100. Now, I have over $100 worth of ink pads here. If they go for $5 to $6, I went ahead and researched a little bit. So I think you guys are getting a pretty good deal. Let's go through all the colors. We've got Crisp Cantaloupe, 2 of them. Like I said, duplicates. Blushing Bride, Bermuda Bay, Island Indigo, Soft Sky, Pool Party. I love the names of these. Coastal Cabana, Calypso Coral, Primrose Petal, Strawberry Slush, Baked Brown Sugar, Cherry Cobbler, Raspberry Ripple, Midnight Muse, Smoky Slate, and then Summer Starfruit, Crisp, what is that? Crushed Curry, ooh, that makes me hungry, Pear Pizzazz, Pistachio Pudding, Gumball Green, and the last one would be Wisteria Wonder. Alright, so again, with shipping, all of this will be $100. Now, what I would like to do is the first person that emails me and then purchases it, we're going to use, I don't know, Venmo or PayPal, we'll figure that out. The first person that emails me will get these. So the email address is cardcreationsbykim@gmail.com, and I'll put that somewhere on the screen here. And once you pay, it's all yours. Thanks so much, and let's move on to another destash.